to print capital A to capital Z as key numbers. So what is the program we need to do? So what is the ASCII numbers? I already told to everyone, right?
95.
What is the capital A, capital Z?
65, sir.
90.
Capital A 65, sir. 65 to like 96.
7.
6.
So capital A ASCII code is 65. So capital B is 66 and so on. Okay? Clear? Small a ASCII code is
60.
57. 97, sorry.
97.
98. B is 99. B is 100. Okay? These are the ASCII codes. So now I want to print
Capital A.
ASCII codes of E to Z. Now let's see. So public void print ASCII code from capital A to capital Z using while loop. So ASCII code means it's an integer number, right? It's not a character, right? ASCII code means it's a
Integer number.
so I have to initialize with the integer.
It's equal
So
to
int I equal to
I equals to A capital
see the basics whatever we learned in the beginning, the type conversion I told you.
Yes, sir.
Is this what type of conversion is this? Implicit or explicit?
Explicit.
A. Explicit.
Explicit.
What is explicit, Monica? What is implicit? So word implicit, that is correct. But do you know what is mean by implicit?
Implicit means as it is the data type, the memory is same. Is there means that is implicit, sir. Memory.
Okay. So any others? Anybody knows what is implicit type conversion and explicit type conversion? So okay, let me give you. So implicit type conversion means
Memory.
the right hand side value automatically convert into left hand side. You don't need to do any forceful. That's the implicit type conversion we call. This is the implicit. What happens? Capital A has a number, right? That number will go and store directly in the array.
Store directly.
Not A will store. A internal number. What is that? 65. That 65 will store in the I. Why, sir? Why you have stored A, but it is 65? This is, you are assigned an integer. You want integer of that character. So you are getting that character integer number will store here. And then you print the value. I am using print method. I don't want to use println. So increment the I value. If you forget to bring the cursor to next line, what will happen now? So next program will print there only. So that's why you have to bring the cursor after a loop. You bring the cursor to next line like this.
Okay.
For better understand, we can
add one step, right, sir? So cat c equal to a, and we will assign that c value to I. Then that's good, right?
Yeah.
So
Where?
first step, sir. First step above the inter. So if we use
We
cat
need
c equal to a,
Oh,
yeah,
so you
int
want me to
c.
write a character
yeah,
char c equal to a. You want me
Hmm.
to write like this?
yes, sir. Then
Yes, sir.
we can
Then
use c
assign
directly.
to C.
C.
But this is increasing the number of lines of code, okay?
Yes, just understanding purpose, so it
Yeah,
will
yeah.
be easy.
So now you are assigning a character to integer. Character is 16-bit, integer is 32-bit. So easily it will fit, and that character internal number will store here.
Hmm.
Now, so it is printed. All the values it will print. Let's see.
Dot print ASCII code.
So the program for you is you have to print small z to a ASCII codes.
Okay. Two programs, small z to small a
And
to
all these
small.
programs also, not only two,
Okay.
and all
Okay,
these
sir.
programs also.
Okay, sir.
See, A ASCII code is 65, B ASCII code 66, C 67, D 68, and Z is 90. Okay, so that's it. And let's see last one. I want to print multiplication table.
Okay.
So what is the multiplication table format?
2 into 1 into equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4.
2, 3, 6.
Right? This is the format. Right?
Hmm.
2 10 are
Go
10,
on.
20.
Right?
Hmm.
So 2 multiplied by, so 2 multiplied by 10 equal to 20.
20.
So this is the format I need to bring. See now here, this is the table number you are going to give, user going to give this. And this is the variable initialization 1 to 10 you are doing. And what is this? This is the multiplication of these two, the table number and the I value, whatever you are initializing. That multiplication is this output. Now this is not going to change and this is not going to change. Only changes here whatever the user is giving input as a variable parameter. You are giving a parameterized method you are writing. So that parameter will come here, table number, and this is the I value. So with that you need to print any table. Let user give any table that will print the 1 to 10 or 1 to 15, whatever you want. So now let's write that program. Public void print
Multiplication
multiplication.
table.
So you have to give, user has to give the multiplication table number. M is the multiplication table number. User is going to give. User wants 5 table and I want 20 table. So my
Okay.
kid wants 19 table. So whoever wants whatever the tables you give, the program will print and give it to you entire tables. That is the simple way how we can write. Let's see how to write. So now we need to start with 1. So again initialization is 1.
1.
While
Equal
So
to 1.
while
two
I less than or equal
Plus
to
1
10
to 10.
to 10, 1 to 2 10 ja, right? 2 10 ja 20. I want like that. So that 10 is the last one. You have to iterate. Now I need to bring this format. Now I need to build this format. How to build this format? I need to print, right? This one I need to print. I need to print. Print means what is the statement you need to take?
System dot out dot println.
System dot out dot println is the print statement you have to take. You want to print. First, what you need to write here? Table number. That is, I should not write 2. I should write what is the table number. So if you give a 2 and always 2 table only, it will print for you.
Okay.
You have to give the parameter. This is the table number. The table number should come here. That is M. So M you have to give. So M after what is there? X, right? X is constant. Constant, how can you specify?
In single quote.
Double quotes. You have to specify in double quotes. You have to specify in double quotes, that is constant. It's not going to change. That you have to specify in double quotes. That is X.
Yes.
Now I am joining X with what is the 1, 2, 3, 4, that is
Plus I.
represented by I.
I.
So write I. Now I is joined by equal to.
Equal.
So
So
plus
let's
operator you use
within
Plus.
double quotes.
and within
Equal
double
to.
quotes put equal to.
Equal to.
Then that equal to is joined by
M
what?
Plus.
M
M
to I.
M star I.
Table multiply by I. 2
Table
into
my.
1. That is 2 into 1 is this one.
Okay, sir.
Whatever the table you give, that will come there automatically. The result. This is the result. The result will come and print it here. See, you got this format or not? This format. First table.
Okay.
2.
I am
Table.
joining the table number with X. That is,
X.
that's
Okay.
why I told you, whatever you keep in double quotes, that will print as it is. There is no change there. Now that X I am joining with this I value. That's I value. 2 into 1, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, like that, right? You will get here. Then you need a equal to. That's why I'm joining with the equal to. And the multiplication of these
Multiplication.
is this one, result. So next, and increment the I value. That's it. So you got the table. Let's call this method. How to call parameterized method?
WDOBG or
Oh, dot. Given the value.
print multiplication table.
Value.
What table you want? 15? Okay. So let's execute this.
Ah.
See that?
Okay.
Sir,
See how
same
simple it is.
function we can use in the if filters, sir. Same like this. Same table is there, no? We can filter if conditions, sir.
What you want?
Like while use, no? In the while loop inside if condition also we can use or not, sir.
And this table, why do you need? That's what my question.
Table?
On the tables, what you will filter?
Filters కావాలా.
2.
What you will filter on the multiplication table? That's what my question. If you want to filter something, you use if condition.
If condition. Okay.
Huh? Here you don't need a if condition here. I just want to print my multiplication table. That's it. You don't need any filter here.
I understood.
Filter is what if I give
Filter only we can use.
different colors I have given. In that colors, choose only blue color if I ask you. Then you need a filter.
Okay, sir.
If I have
Instead it fills.
oh, get only this kind of things. Then you need a filter.
Filter.
That is if condition. But
If
here, why
condition.
do you need a filter here?
I
You
asked
just
like
need to
Yes,
print.
it is.
You just need to print. Just nothing. You just want to print, you don't need any filters. Filters when you want to choose from, for example, there are in the class, girls and boys are there. Choose only girls means then you need a filter.
Then we use the fill. Okay.
If condition. Okay, so that's the where you need to use filters and if condition. Filter is nothing but if condition only. Okay, so that's all. There's still more programs are there. Tomorrow we'll continue. That's what I told you, right? Only programs. You will get lot of coding and you practice this.
Okay.
Yes.
More practice, more confidence you will build. And I want to see all of you and all these programs you need to complete.
Yes.
Okay? So,
Okay, sir.
and also, right, I will give all these programs there in our
Slack.
blog.